Hello, this video will be reviewing how to set up, use, and report on memberships. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. To set up a membership, you'll go to these three lines here on the left, click Setup, and Setup Service, and Setup Memberships. From here, you'll click Add New. By default, this membership will be active. You provide a membership name in here. So for example, I'll call this one 5 massages. And then under the price, you'll note the price of the membership. And then service package, you can relate a service package to it. So let's see here, choose massage package. I can choose to auto expire the packages. What this means is if auto expire packages is clicked, then every time it bills, it will automatically expire any packages remaining. So in the example here, if they get 5 massages every month and they're charged $400, now memberships can be billed quarterly, monthly, or yearly. So in this instance, we'll pretend it's a month. And what would happen is if this box is checked and I have 5 massages, if I used 4 out of the 5, but not the last one, it will just cancel it out. So when that goes to bill at the next month, it's not going to allow it to carry over. If you would like that massage to carry over and allow that to keep accumulating, you can uncheck this box and then it would allow that final massage that they had to carry over in the next month, and then they would have 6 massages available. So that's what this checkbox does. And then you can also choose to display this in a certain order when you go into your membership sales, and you can outline how those should order. And then of course, when you're done, go ahead and click Save. To sell a membership, you'll go to the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click Member Check-in. You can also get there through the home screen. So from here, you would click New Member to sign up a new member, and then you would search for a new member. And then from here, you'd input, it's going to default select the client first name and last name. I could have selected Add New and created a brand new client from here. And then birth date, select gender. These are not mandatory unless you specify that they are. Country code and mobile phone number, primary email. And then in here, you'll put the membership ID. So you can put in a membership ID manually, or if you have barcode key tags that you plan to hand out, you could scan the barcode key tag now. And then you select the membership type. So for instance, I'll select the one we just created. It's going to auto-populate the first billing amount and the subsequent billing amounts. And then I select my payment type. If they have a card on file, you are able to choose that as the payment type. Then I want to check this box for auto bill because I want this to automatically bill. If you don't want it to auto bill, then of course leave it unchecked. Then in here I have my first payment. We allow you to edit this. Sorry about that. 1 second. Okay. So you are allowed to edit the first payment amount. Maybe in the first month you charge them an additional $19.99, or maybe the first month is discounted heavily. You can decide to discount it, but the subsequent months will be for the full price of the membership. And then you select your plan, how often it should bill. So this one will bill monthly. And then you input the card number, the name on card, expiration, the security code, and the zip. For security purposes, I won't be submitting that, but once you've fulfilled out all that information, you'll go ahead and click First Payment and Save. That will take a second to generate. This can take a minute or two, and then once it completes, it will show you a receipt for that membership that you can print or email to the client. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is how to reference a or use a membership. So if I'm going to check somebody in to see if their membership is in good status, here's an example. I'm going to put in a number here and hit submit. And you'll see that this member is valid. It's got a green circle. It made a nice ding if you can hear it. And it will be up there for a few seconds and recycle. If a membership is not valid, When you scan or swipe, go ahead and hit submit, and it will show this red X and let you know that this is no longer valid, that it either didn't bill or the membership was canceled, and that way you know that. You can also search for members if maybe they forgot their key tag, and you can search for them by phone number, last name, email, and you can search for them that way. And then if this is up too long and you want to go next, you just click next and it will clear that for you. Otherwise, it will auto clear after a few seconds. All the information about the clients can be brought up. So if I search for Shannon W, I can pull up her account and scroll down here, and I can see that this is her membership ID. I can adjust it here if I need to. Shows me she currently has a Brow membership. She purchased it originally in February of 2022, and this is the amount. It auto bills every month. It shows me her next bill date. If she's going to skip a month, I can adjust this and have it bill out the next month if I need to. So you can manually adjust that. I can see that the plan is for monthly, and the card expires. If she asks what card we have on file, it's the one that expires in January 2024. If she needs to update the credit card associated with this membership, I just click Update Token, and that will offer me the option to update the token related to that membership. I can also see down here, since there are packages associated with her membership, like we noted. Also important to mention, you do not have to include packages with your membership. That's optional. But down here, I can see every single time she was billed and how many of the packages she's used. So for example, in this first month of February, she used 2 of her 4 packages, and it tells me the unused value down here also. All right, thank you for watching and have a great day.